Welcome to my channel. The topic for explanation is converting inequality to equality. So we are given this equation, we are given this inequality equation which has been converted to equality equation. This is the question, this is the answer. Similarly, this is another inequality equation which has been converted to equality equation. This is the question and this is the required answer. Now let us understand in detail. If you can see here, we have x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 8. x1 plus x2 plus s1 is equal to 8. If you can observe these two equations, the difference is we have plus s1, right? And this has been changed to equal to. Similarly, here you have minus s1 is equal to 8. In both the equations, you'll observe one difference. The difference is you have plus s1 here and you have minus s1 here. Why is this difference? This difference is because of when you have less than or equal to, we'll have plus s1. We'll have plus s1 plus s1. When we have greater than or equal to, we have minus s1. Now let us understand this. Let us understand this by taking an example. Let's say now we have to plus x2. So this is the inequality equation which is given to us. Now this has to be changed. This less than or equal to has to be changed to this sign, right? Now just look at this sign. We have uh, we have less than and we have equal to sign. Now let us take an example. Now we have to take a value, we have to choose a value such that it is lesser than 8. We have to choose a value which is lesser than 8. Let us take 5. Let us take 5. Now let us take 5. Now 5 plus something is equal to 8. Now if you can observe here, 5 we have chosen a value 5 which has to be less than 8. Now in order to make 5 is equal to 8, in order to make 5 is equal to 8, we need to add certain value. Only then this less than will become to equal to sign. So this adding of value, which is nothing but 3, the value is nothing but 3. So only when you put the value 3, the LHS will be equal to RHS. 5 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 is nothing but 8, which is equal to RHS. This plus 3 is nothing but this plus 3 is nothing but slack variable. So for less than or equal to sign, in order to make it equal to sign, we are introducing a slack variable to the left side of the constraint. A slack variable is added to the left side of the constraint. A slack variable is added. These are the key points. Similarly, as we have taken example, we have chosen a value for this inequality equation. Similarly, we have to the same process will be applied. So let us take this equation, um, x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 8. So if you can observe, we have this has to be changed to equal to sign, right? Now let us take this symbol greater than or equal to. Within this you have equal to sign, we have greater than sign, right? Now we are concerned only about this sign. this greater than sign, right? So 8. Now we have to choose a value. We have to choose a value here which is greater than 8. Let's say I'll choose 10, right? 10. Now in order to bring this, in order to make this greater than sign to equal to sign, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do is I need to subtract a, a value from 10. So 10 minus of 2 is equal to 8. So in order to make LHS is equal to RHS, 10 minus 2 is equal to 8, which is equal to RHS. We have converted this greater than sign to equal to sign. If you can notice, for greater than sign we are subtracting. For less than sign we are actually adding. We are adding plus 3 here. So for this is the difference actually. For a less than or equal to sign, we are actually adding a slack variable. For greater than or equal to sign, we are subtracting a surplus variable. This 2 is nothing but the surplus variable. Surplus variable. And this has to be subtracted. This has to be subtracted. Right. Now now this now what we can conclude is, the most important point is this S1, which is the slack variable here, and this S1, which is the surplus variable here, is a non-negative value. Non-negative value. It means it will take only positive values. X1, comma X2, comma X1 will always be greater than or equal to 0. Will always take positive values. Yeah. This is all about converting inequality equation to equality equation.